Welcome back to another instructional build video. In this one, we're going to go over how to make the cell antenna module. This is by far the easiest module, but is still a critical component nonetheless. As always, you're going to want to go to GitHub and get the latest version of all of our files before you start planning your build. We've laid it out to be very easy to see what modules what. Here we can find our cell antenna module. This is the only file you need for this build. If you have your own 3D printer, you can just load that into whatever your favorite slicer is. All of our parts have been made to fit onto a bottom of the end resin printer, so you should have no problem fitting it on a FDM printer either. If you don't have your own printer, or you have something else you have to do this weekend, it's very easy to source these parts. You can go to an online service like PCBWay and have them made there. You can see this part would only cost $5 to have made, and this is the exact same build process as what I have here.